am called Mukund, and today I am recording this video from North Lakhimpur, Assam, and in front of me is the garland of mountain of Arunachal Pradesh. Today is a cloudy day, and in this beautiful day I have decided to make this video from the chapter Ethics. It's a subject in the UPSC examination which I was preparing for the last 2 years, and this subject I find very interesting because in this subject there are some case studies which we all should know, irrespective of UPSC civil servant aspirant and non-aspirant. It's also very important for kids. Now, because ethics, integrity and morality, it builds the foundation for human life. I have seen many interviews of UPSC civil servant, those who have cleared this exam. I am sure all of you must have seen. They used to speak about case studies, and today I thought that whatever notes that I am having, I was revising, I thought that this is worth sharing in the internet so that everyone will know what is case study, because there are many myths that UPSC used to ask questions like this. UPSC will ask you that stand on that wall and jump, you will be selected. So those who are intelligent, they will jump inside. Those who are fool, they will try to jump outside, they will die. So these are stupid questions. UPSC does not ask this type of stupid questions. So let me give you one example of what kind of case study UPSC asks. This is the first case. Let me tell you the question. The question is like this, it will be written. It's like the case. You have grown up with A, who has been your best friend since childhood. You have shared your joys and sorrows and have been each other's confidant. Now, it's final year, it's your graduation year, and you are writing your final exam. In the exam, you notice that your friend is copying and cheating a lot. So this is the case. Now, in these circumstances, what you would do? They will give you 3 options, and this question is for 20 marks. You have to write it within 250 words. So the 3 circumstances, what you will do, UPSC is asking you. Report him to the invigilator since he is wrong. Ignore the matter since it is invigilator's duty, not yours. Ignore the matter to avoid placing your friendship at risk. So of these 3 options, which one is correct? And you have to elaborate your answer that why it is correct. Okay. Now the answer would be the written answer for this standard answer is like this, that it will go like this. Cheating is immoral, unethical and illegal. Hence it is my duty to ensure that my friend does not cheat anymore. Moreover, since he has already cheated a lot, his actions must be reported to the invigilator immediately. I certainly cannot ignore the matter, since that would amount to abetting in an offense that gives my friend an unfair advantage over all the other candidates in the exam. It is the duty of the invigilator to prevent students from cheating, but the responsibility has to be shared by everyone in the exam hall, including the students. Ignoring the matter would be akin to not reporting a theft merely because it is the policeman's duty to stop it. Similarly, if our friendship is worth preserving, it will not only survive but should become stronger. My friend will understand that by reporting him, I am trying to ensure his welfare above all else. In the short term, I am saving him from potential punishment and disgrace. In the long term, I am ensuring that such tendency do not become a habit for him. A case in point is the friendship of Karna and Duryodhan in the epic Mahabharata. Despite recognizing that Duryodhan was wrong, Karna supported him blindly, merely because they were good friends. This tactic approval led to the destruction of an entire dynasty. Hence, I would certainly report the matter. However, after the exam, I will explain my reasons to my friend and assure him that I stand by him to help him in any matter possible, be it academic or financial. So, this is enough for this answer. This many things if you write, it will be enough. So like this I will bring more case studies. Every day I will try to upload one case study. That's all for today. Thank you all of you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned till I upload the next video. I love you all. Till then, bye bye.